Let's race. In lane 1, Sniper in lane 2. Don't forget, right after the races, we'll have Willie on the backstage picking and grinning, so definitely stick around. All right, Apex is taking a quick time. Do a minor adjustment to his standard real quick. Flying Turtle in lane 1. Rat Rod in lane 2. Milan, judges ready. Drivers, are you ready? Let's race. All right, Sotosaurus in lane 1, Gaffinator in lane 2, Milan, judges ready. Drivers, are you ready? Let's race. All right, we got the Gaffinator in lane 1, Snotosaurus in lane 2, Milan, judges ready. Drivers, are you ready? Let's race. Man, a bunch of stuff. Pay for my power bill. All right, Milan, judges ready. Drivers, are you ready? Let's race. Got it. All right, we got the Apex in lane 1 going up against the Sniper in lane 2. Are my line judges ready? Drivers, are you ready? Let's race. And the sniper. Thank you to the sniper today and say that food is pizza and he likes the color blue. The sniper. Brontosaurus in lane 1. Has in lane 2. Line judges, are we ready? Drivers, are you ready? Let's race.
Be sure to come over here and subscribe. And of course you have to hit the little bell, otherwise we won't show up in your notifications each time we post a new video. And check us out on Facebook and give us a like. We post all of our content there as well, as long as some pictures that we take. Speaking of Instagram, you can check us out on Instagram too. We post all of our pictures, some short clips that don't end up on YouTube, along with a little bit of funny stuff, some game recipes, and we're also on Twitter. You can check us out on there, some of our posts. We keep everyone kind of in the queue along what we're on to and what we're up to and what we're doing, along with some other posts about some other things that we like. So be sure to check us out on Patreon. We could always use the support. We got a lot of cool stuff coming up, but that stuff kind of isn't cheap, so every little bit of support helps and will help us get out some good content for everyone to see.